If you have lost sending privileges on Steam, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Check your account status. Navigate to your account settings and check for any notifications or restrictions that may indicate why your sending privileges have been revoked. Step 3. Verify your email and phone number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enable Steam Guard. If you haven't already, enable Steam Guard for your account. This adds an extra layer of security and is often required to regain full privileges. Step 5. Wait for the cooldown period. If your sending privileges were revoked due to recent activity, you may need to wait for a cooldown period. This can take up to 15 days, after which your privileges should be restored automatically. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Steam. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.